Hi, I'm James.
And I'm Tamala.
And we sold it all
to travel the U.S.
in a 20-foot camper.
And you're watching
Kamperkarma. Alright, Kamperkarma friends. Today I want to show you our spot. It's number 22. It's here at Keys Palms RV. This has been our favorite spot so far in the 5-6 months we've been traveling. It's a full hookup site. Power, water, sewer. And that's how close you are to the water. Our site's number 22. Right next door is a dog walk, and then a fitness gym, laundry. There's also a bathhouse in there, but I just wanted to show you the campsite first. The privacy is really nice with these tall hedges, and we happen to get a pull through. I think our site number is 22. You'll have to excuse how messy it is here because we've been just enjoying ourselves for the last couple of weeks. But there's the water power box. There's 30-50 amp water, sewer cable. It's all right here all together. Like I said, this is site 22. I'm just going to show you site number here, and it is a pull-through site. Site 22. There's the exit gate right there. This is a gated RV park, and there's crushed rock and then a stone patio. And I'll show you the dog walk and the pool and the kayak launch, hot tub. There's piers here for your boats if you have a boat and you bring it. I think there's 2 different docks. There's a boat marina less than a mile down the road. Matter of fact, there's a big sailboat going by right now if you can see the mast. Alright, and from our camper, like I said, we're spot 22. The clubhouse is right here. And I'm going to show you there's a gym. Alright, here's the workout gym, and it's from 9 to 9. It's really nice. TV, treadmill, weight machine. And right next door, and the next door, is the laundry facilities. We got washers on that side and dryers on this side. And then immediately past that, at the end of the building here, is the dog run or dog park. And it's got a 2-gate system with the safety latches, dog cleaning or dog pickup areas inside and out. Like I said, this is a really nice resort. We would come back here and stay anytime. And there's the sound right on the other side of us. They do sell ice here. That's the only thing they sell. And they have a game room on the other side of the building for board games. They have a PS4, some different video games to play. Cards, a couple of tables, a couch to sit on. And again, this is site 22. I'll walk you down to the pool, show you the hot tub. There's 2 piers, a lagoon, and a little sandy beach. And if you see the security maintenance guy driving by, they're constantly in the park. There's always someone out here to help you. by far the best customer service we've had at any of the places we've stayed. All right, and just a short walk from the camper. There's two paths. They're both lined with bushes. On the right here is the kayak launch and the lagoon. But the path leads you to everything. The place on the right was camp spot number 13. But here on the right is a kayak launch, a small beach, and a small lagoon. All right, this is on the other side of the lagoon. This lagoon right there. They actually have picnic tables, some chairs to lay out, umbrellas, a fish cleaning station, and you're able to park your boat at any of the places here. They actually have 1, 2, 3, and the one behind it 4 for boat parking. I don't know how deep they are, but I would assume they're 5 foot or more. I would assume anyways. But again, there's the two piers, both with fish cleaning stations, both with ladders to swim. Like I said, chairs to lay out, umbrellas, sandy beach, and it's always raked like this. This is by far the cleanest, with the best hospitality of any RV spot or RV resort we've been at. Over there's the pool. The two yellow buildings that are connected are actually the bathhouses. In the middle there's an elevator for disabled people or someone that couldn't make the stairs. And again, there's a really nice pool and hot tub over there. There's people actually enjoying it, so I won't video it, but I will go over there and take a picture, and I'll put it in the video right here. But again, this is Keys Palms RV Resort, and it is in Key Largo. Alright, so we're leaving today. We really didn't want to, but we decided to go ahead and head back north for the Christmas holidays. We really hate to leave this resort. I know I've mentioned a couple times in this video, this has been our favorite RV stop, RV resort. It's at the top of the Keys though, so it's still close. It's an hour to Miami, or an hour and a half, 2 hours down to Key West. But again, like I said, this has just been our favorite spot so far in the last 5 or 6 months. Again, it's Keys Palms RV Resort. It's in Key Largo. It's just a really nice, quiet, clean place. I'm just gonna, since it's morning and there's no one here at the pool, I'm just gonna give y'all a quick video of the pool. So here it is, and it is an excellent place to come and watch the sunset, because the sunset's right over here behind these sailboats. So you can sit in the pool with a drink and just watch the sunset.
Hey guys, if you liked our video or found it helpful, please hit the like and share button. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching Kamperkarma.
Alright, we're in the Keys at Pennekamp State Park. This is how we plan to spend Thanksgiving. We're kayaking through the mangroves. If you get a chance to come here, I would definitely come. It's a lot of fun. There's, I think it's 7 miles of mangrove trails for kayaking. I would recommend a GPS or on your phone or a map. I would see where someone could get turned around in this. But again, this is Pennekamp State Park. Thanksgiving.